What is up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to talk about Tonik Digital Banking Guide. Before we proceed with the video, if you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm going to share insights on investing, personal finance, and self-development. With that, let's get on to the video. So as you can see on your screen, we are going to talk about the new digital bank that was recently launched last month. So Tonik is finally here, experience banking in the neo normal. So we are going to talk about the guide on how to open an account, the steps on how you are going to take advantage of the high interest rates that they offer, what are the requirements, and everything that goes around with the Tonik Digital Banking Guide. So let's get started. So who is Tonik? So Tonik is a transformative digital bank on a mission to revolutionize the way money works in Southeast Asia. The cashless revolution in the Philippines is in full force with the recent arrival of Tonik Digital Bank, the country's first digital-only bank. It is also our first introduction into the concept of neobanking, supposed future of banking. Tonik is a digital-only bank that was recently launched in the country. Tonik Financial is based in Singapore and focuses on product development and technology integration for its digital banking platform. Tonik's banking operations in the Philippines are conducted by its local subsidiary, Tonik Digital Bank Incorporated, and regulated by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas as a rural bank. So that's Tonik. Now, if you're curious, what is really neobank? What is a neobank? Neobanking is the newest way to go about your banking needs in the digital age. For beginners or for starters, a neobank is a digital-only virtual bank that offers financial products and service 100% online with no physical branches. From opening an account down to applying for a loan, you do all your transactions with neobank through your smartphone. Note that neobanks are viewed as traditional banks. Instead, they are considered financial technology firms that partner with financial institutions to provide a more accessible approach to banking. Because they don't operate as banks, they can focus more on improving the overall experience, like cutting down fees and offering higher interest rates. But since they're not considered traditional banks, Neobank offered a limited number of financial products compared to the traditional bank. They usually offer savings and checking accounts, money transfer and payment services, and financial education tools, among others. So that is Neobank. Now let's go ahead and try to compare neobanks versus digital banks. You could say that neobanking is the natural evolution of digital banking, since their difference is only minimal. For beginners or for starters, neobanks have no physical branches, while digital banks are considered traditional banks with a few branches to maintain. This allows neobanks to save costs, which means better rates and lower fees to their customers. Neobanks also provide a better option for unbanked individuals who want to skip the hassle of traditional banking, and undeserved clients who have little to no credit score to speak of. Compared to digital banks, they require less requirements and make faster approvals. In a way, we can consider them a more convenient to experience digital banking. So that's the difference between neobanks versus digital banks. What is Tonik Digital Bank? So Tonik Digital Bank turned heads after launching on March 18, 2021 with an annual interest rate up to 6% for time deposits. Dubbed as first digital-only bank in the Philippines, Tonik wants to focus on the unbanked and undeserved, as well as the emerging affluent millennials in offering services and products through digital technology. And to cover their bases, Tonik has been granted a full rural bank license issued by the Central Bank of the Philippines. They are also regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, and their deposits are insured by the Philippine Deposit Insurance Commission. Needless to say, Tonik is a legit digital bank that you should give it a try as soon as possible. Now, the question is it really safe? Tonik is supervised by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP. The money is insured by the Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation or PDIC up to a maximum of 500,000 per depositor. This implies that all users' money with Tonik in their savings account, stashes, and time deposit are insured up to 500,000 per deposit by PDIC. Tonik's cloud-based solution is powered by global financial technology leaders Mastercard, Finastra, and Amazon Web Services. And as per Tonik, it is a highly secure digital banking platform that guarantees customer transactions, safety, and security. So, it's really safe. Who can apply for an account? Any Filipino who is at least 18 years old, residing in the Philippines, has a valid Philippine mobile number and email address, and not a person subject to United States FATCA can apply for a Tonik account. How to get the app? So the Tonik application is now available for both Android and iOS devices. Take note of the minimum software system. It should be at least iOS 10.0.0 for iPhone users and Android OS 5.0.0. The user's phone needs to have a front-facing camera. It is also recommended that the phone must have at least 3 gigabytes of RAM. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the Tonik account features and what do they exactly offer. So, a Tonik account does not have a minimum balance requirement. Plus, there are also no dormancy fees, minimum deposits, and account closure fees. Sounds interesting. Currently, Tonik allows users to open up to 5 solo and group stashes, up to 5 time deposit accounts. Further, Tonik offers deposit interest rates of up to 6% per annum, free Tonik to Tonik transfer, as well as free transfer to other banks. Tonik Digital Bank features and services. So we already mentioned earlier the 4 services. They have savings accounts, solo stash, group stash, and time deposit. First, let's go ahead and talk about savings account. After you open a Tonik account, you instantly get the default savings account with an annual interest rate of 1%. From here, you can cash in through bank transfer, online banking, and over-the-counter payments. You can also send and receive money from Tonik users and other banks. So that's the first one, savings account. Second is solo stash. What is solo stash? If you want your savings to grow bigger, you can make a solo stash with an interest rate of 4%. You can choose a preset goal from the app or make your own and grow your money from there. You can even make up to 5 stashes so you can earn for multiple goals at any given time. So that's solo stash or group stash. Number 3 is group stash. If you want to involve your friends in your money saving goals, you can also create a group stash with an annual interest rate of 4.5%. Invite more family and friends in your group stash so you can earn more and quicker. You can make up to 5 group stashes combined with solo stashes. And lastly, number 4 is time deposit. If you really want to grow your savings using only your smartphone, you can keep it in Tonik Time Deposits account with an annual interest rate up to 6%. I think this is one of the highest in the market today. How to open a Tonik Digital Bank account. So, following the 9 steps on the screen, opening a Tonik account take you less than 10 minutes. All you have to do is download Tonik app and follow these instructions. There are only 9 instructions listed here. First step, open the Tonik app, enter the mobile number, and then tap next. Tap agree and continue to the terms and conditions. Select your nationality, then tap to initiate face identity scan. Follow the on-screen instructions and the facial scan. After that, choose your valid ID, then tap let's scan this ID. Follow the on-screen instructions for scanning the ID. After that, provide your signature using your finger, or it can be a compatible stylus. Once you're done, tap next. Review the features of the Tonik account, then tap deal, and you're done. Tap bring me to the dashboard to check out your new Tonik account. So easy, 1 to 9 steps, you would be able to open an account. The question is how to verify your Tonik account. Verifying your Tonik Digital Bank account is also incredibly easy. From the Tonik dashboard, just click verify your email and enter the one-time password sent to your registered email, and that's it. Your account is now verified. After opening an account and after verifying the account, the next question here, how to cash in using the Tonik Digital Bank application. Now that your Tonik Digital Bank account is up and running, it's time to cash in and start saving up for your financial goals. So there are 3 ways to cash in using the Tonik app. Local bank transfer will be offered too. So what are the top-up options? Via the debit card, via online banking, it can be GCasH, Coins.ph, BPI, Union Bank, and third, via over the counter. So let's go ahead and dig deeper. What are the steps? How to cash in via debit card. So there are only 4 steps. From the Tonik dashboard, you need to tap top up, and then you need to tap debit card and enter the amount you want to cash in before tapping next. Tick the terms and condition box and enter your debit card details before tapping pay now. Your new balance will now be reflected to your account. Easy. How to cash in via online banking. So the options that I'm seeing right now is GCasH, Coins.ph, BPI, and Union Bank. There are only 5 steps. Just go to the Tonik dashboard, select top up, and then tap online and choose between GCasH, Coins.ph, BPI, or Union Bank. Enter the amount you want to cash in, then next. Tick the terms and conditions box and log in to your chosen account. After following the on-screen instructions, your new balance will now be reflected to your account. Also easy, 5 steps only. How to cash in via over the counter. From the Tonik dashboard app, select top up, over the counter, and then choose between Click, 7-Eleven Connect, Cebuana Louvillier, Louvillier, or SM Payment. And then third step, enter the amount you want to cash in. And then next, you will then be presented with your cash in code. So remember that code. Follow the instructions on how to pay your cash before heading to the preferred payment center. Now, if you're interested to open an account or a Tonik Stash account, there are only 6 steps. From the Tonik dashboard, you just need to select stashes, and then tap start, and then new stash. I think the good one great deal that I'm seeing here is that you can actually choose the goal you want, and you can also make your own goal by tapping open a new stash. Tap the goal you want, then tap either group stash or solo stash. As you can see here on the screen, you will see option emergency stash, vacation stash, or tuition stash. So these are at some point our individual goals. And then next, after customizing the stash details, then enter the target amount and date before tapping next. Enter the initial saving and then tap skip. For now, if you don't have an initial amount in mind, review the stash details, tick the terms and conditions ticker, and then tap create stash. If you selected or picked a group stash, you need to invite people to your stash and choose the people you want to add. The link to your group stash will be sent to them via SMS. So there are only 6 steps on how you can open a Tonik Stash account. Next, if you're interested to open a Tonik Time Deposit account, there are only 3 steps. 3 easy steps. From the Tonik dashboard, just select Time Deposits, and then set the amount you want to invest using the slider. Then choose the term you want and check the amount of earnings it will gain you. Once you're all set, you just need to select I'm interested, and then the last step is to review the time deposit terms, tick the terms and conditions, ticker, then tap let's open this time deposit. As you can see on the screen, it's also present on the website. You will be the one to select how long will you grow your money. It's either 6 months, it's going to be 6%, 9 months 4.50%, 12 months 4.75%, 18 months 5%, and then 24 months 5.25%. And then it will show you, for example, you are planning to put in time deposit of 20,000. Your earnings from the interest is 604.93 pesos. Take note, it says there before taxes. Okay, now let's talk about how to send money using the Tonik Digital Bank app. There are actually 4 options on how you can send money using the application. Send money to other Tonik accounts, send money via bank transfer, send money via GCash, and send money via over the counter. So let's go ahead and talk about each one of them. There are only 4 steps on how you can send money to other Tonik account. Step 1, from the Tonik dashboard, you just need to tap send, and then tap bank transfer and the amount you want to send before tapping next. Enter the bank information of the receiver, then tap next. And then the last step is enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number, then tap next. How to send money via bank transfer. There are only 4 steps. From the Tonik dashboard, tap send, and then after selecting send, tap bank transfer, and enter the amount you want to send before tapping next. Enter the bank information of the receiver, then next. And then the last step, enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number, then tap next. Now, how to send money via GCash. There are also 4 steps. From the Tonik dashboard, tap send, tap GCash account, and enter the amount you want to send before selecting next. Enter the GCash account details of the receiver, then next. And the last step is enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number, then tap next. How about if you want to send money via over the counter? There are only 5 steps. From the dashboard, you just need to select send, tap over the counter partners, then choose between Cebuana Luwilier and M Luwilier. Enter the amount you want to send, then next. Enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number, then tap next. Send your cash in code and other transaction details to the recipient. So the question here is who to contact for any queries and concerns. Users may reach one of Tonik's customer service agents via any of the following channels. So there are 4. First, in-app chat. So there will be an option for you to get in touch with the customer service via chat on the application itself. Tonik Digital Banker Viber chat number is 632-5322-2645. They do have a customer service email. You can send an email at customercare@tonikbank.com, and also their customer service hotline number is 02-5322-2645. So if you are going to encounter any concerns, any issues, there are 4 options for you to get in touch with the customer service agents. Now, my final thoughts regarding the new Tonik Digital Bank that is already present here in the Philippines. My final thoughts on this would be technology continue to amaze all of us, really, especially if it's meant to improve an aspect of our daily lives. Neobanks like Tonik Digital Bank are a proof of this, as they once again made digital banking even more possible in the Philippines. So don't miss out your chance to try out new technology and grow your savings at the same time. Sources, there are 6 sources I already indicated here. The website and the links that the information comes from. So I hope that you were able to learn something from this video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys on our next video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and have a great day.